Kisho holders, how are you? Hope you are fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of Kisho. My friends, in this video, I will show you, friends, the latest update of the Kisho. What's going on in this time in Kisho in this video? I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe now. ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. Let's move on and let's start the video, my friends. So you can see here now the latest price of the Kisho at this time in the market as 0. That is the currently latest price of the Kisho. On the other side, if you look the price change so according to the Kisho, so absolutely, my friends, the last 1 hour change is positive, last 1 day price change as positive, only the last 1 week price change according to the Kisho as going negative, my friends. The previous last 1 day, last 1 hour price change at this time absolutely going very better, and my friends, personally I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change according to the Kisho. I really love Kisho, and let's make Kisho favorite coin. You can see here, well, Kisho is my favorite coin from now. Let's see. You can see now the jumping time of the Kisho starts now in the market, so I'm very happy to see this, that now at this time the Kisho will start jumping. You can see in the start of month the Kisho start moving up, and now you can see it is the end of month. After 1 days, tomorrow, after 1 day, they will take again jump, my friends. And my personal prediction about Kisho is that I hope in the start of June, in the start of new month, maybe there's a lot of chances to they take a huge jump, my friends. So that is my personal prediction, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Kisho? Please share in the comment box. And now, friends, at this time, if you decide to hold, a lot of people want to sell at this time, friends, because people want to invest in a new coin. But now don't do this mistake and don't decide to sell. My personal suggestion is that it's time to hold, because the Kisho jumping time starts from now at this time. Now at this time the Kisho start moving upwards, so that is why I suggest for everyone to it's time to hold. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Kisho? Please share in the comment box and subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates video.